Overview of the Forex market. A currency is traded on the Forex exchange market, also known as the FX market. It is the only market in the world that trades continuously and non-stop. A large bank or institutional firm used to dominate the Forex market on behalf of clients in the past. Trading and investing of money sizes have begun to participate in it in recent years, but it has become more retail oriented. It is interesting to note that there are no physical buildings that serve as trading venue for world forex market. Trading terminals and computers network are used to connect various trading accounts. Other financial markets are considered more transparent than the forex exchange market. The OTC market is the market where currency trading does not require disclosure. Large liquidity pools from institutional firms characterize the market. The forex market is primarily traded on three venues: spot market, forward market, and future markets. The spot market is the largest in all three markets, as it is the underlying asset from which forwards and futures are derived. A forex market is usually referred to as a spot market when people speak of it. It is common for companies and financial firms to use the forward and future markets to hedge their foreign exchange risk.